Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kamran Hussain. Today I'm gonna show you a Navy ship engine controller and engine monitor. This equipment company is made from China, and this equipment was fault. This is completely one, but this screen and touch screen was not working. So I want to show you something. We're doing bypass this motherboard with another circuit. You can see there is all-in-one pieces motherboard, and this is our bypassing motherboard. We are connected this motherboard with this original motherboard, and you can see this panel is working so smoothly, and here have so many function. You can see when I press open report, they are showing so many report over here. Now it's working fine. So if you have this type equipment fault, you can contact with us. We are doing all type of marine equipment, and as well as if you want to get this type video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.